Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can insert separators into your bookmarks bar on Zen Browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, here in the Zen Browser on your device, what you want to do is make sure, or let me make sure, that the bookmarks bar is always visible so that we can do that without hovering the mouse over that upper end of the display. To do that, right click into the bookmarks bar and let me choose always show. And what you want to do is right click into that bookmarks bar again and choose add separator, and you will see that separator here. So you can, for instance, move it to a different location here along or across your bookmarks bar. If you have various folders, right click into it, select add folder, for instance, give it a name, and then you will see these separators here. So you may move it, for instance, to that position here to separate these two folders from the rest. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.